Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Subliminal game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or stuck on infinite loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11, -D3D11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. In the launch options type -DX11 and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work then again go to the game properties. This time type -D3D11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties. This time type -DX12 and then close the tab, launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then again go to the game properties and remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next fix is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your current graphic card drive version and reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here, select operating system and then click on find. Now whatever is the latest version of GeForce Game Ready driver, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run this. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. So click on agree and continue, then select the custom advanced option, check mark custom advanced option and then hit on next, and then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix for is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Subliminal game and select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Subliminal game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first double click this Subliminal exe file and try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then open the Subliminal folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and here you will see Subliminal Win64 shipping exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check. If that also doesn't work, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode from drop down here, select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here, select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes, just uncheck it, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open this Subliminal game folder and select this Subliminal exe file. Click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Now open the Subliminal folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select Subliminal Win64 shipping exe file, click open to add it to the list. Now go back and then click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Subliminal game folder, and then select this Subliminal exe file, click open, and then click on add. Now in my case it is already added. Now again click on browse, open the Subliminal folder, open binaries folder, Win64 folder, select Subliminal Win64 shipping exe file, click open, and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Here it is, and after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then you have to allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then go to the game folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Subliminal game folder, then again open the Subliminal folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and select the Subliminal Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to the GPU preference, select the high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description, and once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it, and then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to install DirectX. So go to this Microsoft website, a link is provided in my video description, and once you are on this Microsoft website, click on download and then run this dxwebsetup.exe file and install it, and after installing it, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to delete the Subliminal saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings, so keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete the Subliminal saved game folder. Open File Explorer, go to C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so, and then tick mark hidden items, then open the app data folder, open local folder, and here look for the Subliminal folder. Here it is, right click on it, first copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder, then again right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to disable overlay. So if you have installed Discord on your PC, so first of all disable the Discord overlay, then disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 13 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and after installing the update, just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Subliminal game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Subliminal game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.